Hey guys, Starrose here. So this morning, I did my nails, as you can see. And just wanted to say hi. I'm not really gonna be posting much videos. They're probably just gonna be like seconds long. But yeah, just wanted to say hi, and that's it. Hi to all my subscribers. I'm gonna try to name them all. So, hi, let's see. Hi, Elsie. Hi, Bella. Hi, Joseph Craft. Gaming too. Let's see. I forget the other person's name, but I had the profile picture just in my head. Pretty sure it's like a Naruto picture. Whatever. Then. Oh, that was pretty. Oh, that just made the room dark. Alright. Bye bye.